what's going on, guys? This is me, Guyver, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna do a little bit of different than gaming and cosplay. It's gonna be vlog. Yes, it's different and something that I don't usually do. Okay, for today's video, we're actually going to Tarlac City in Tarlac Track Hill, if I'm not mistaken, and we're going to test the track there together with my Honda City Philippines car enthusiast. First of all, our car is not meant are not meant for racing, but we're going either way because we want to have fun. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys on this journey with me, so please subscribe, press thumbs up button for like. I'm not really good in vlogging. Yeah, I'll be seeing you there because right now we're in the middle of the street, if you can see, in Mindanao Avenue, and we're kind of waiting for the other members to show up. Okay, so cut. Okay, a quick stop before we actually go to Tarlac City. I made a pit stop here at Lakeshore near Mexico, Pampanga. I grabbed myself some something from Starbucks because I'm so sleepy. Okay, so I think the lighting's so bad. Let's move it here. Okay, so as I was saying, a quick stop here at Lakeshore. As you can see, I'm just chilling here, just drinking my coffee because, yes, I'm sleepy. Before making a quick stop here in Lakeshore, Pampanga, we've experienced a heavy traffic due to road construction. So it took almost like 30-45 minutes of our time. Yeah, I think we're gonna be late, or we're gonna arrive there at lunch or so. Welcome to Tarlac City Track Hill. Alright. Okay. Let's just adjust this.
Number 11. Let's move on to your top 10.
Okay guys, so welcome to Tarlac Track Hill. As you can see, it's so hot here in Tarlac. It's an open area. There's nothing much here but tires and roads and asphalt. So I'm gonna turn it off for a while. So yeah, we're gonna do a test run first, then later on after lunch we're gonna do the actual tracking or the actual run. Okay. Okay guys, so I shift to another camera. Okay, so this is the second test run for today. So there's no safety gear first because we're going to be driving in a low speed. So I'm a little bit nervous because the track itself is really wild for me, who's an amateur driver who doesn't have any experience in racing. So yeah. shit. Oh my god, this is so hard. I'm really not good at this, especially at high speed. Yes. Okay, I need to be careful because, as I said earlier, our cars are not meant for track racing or for track roads. We just finished lunch and we did the test run earlier by 2 laps, and right now we're gonna do the real deal. We're gonna do 4 laps in this circuit, but we're gonna be wearing some protective gears for safety. So I hope I'll be able to do much better than earlier with those curves. I hope you guys enjoyed that clip of me driving in the track. That's 4 laps in total, including the 2 test run. That's technically 6 laps. Okay, so yeah, it was fun, very tiring, very scary for an amateur driver like me. But yeah, me and Batman were able to finish the 4 laps in the track, and it did increase my driving skills a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a while until we decided to go home. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. So yeah, I'm just gonna see you again next one. Sino? Puta, may shotgun pa pala siya. Okay, before we really end the video, as you can see, there's someone that crashed his car in the gutter of the track. Apparently, there's not much of a damage in the inside components. It's more like in the doors only and bumpers. Aside from that, suspension is pretty much good. So yeah, accident happened, so drive safely. And yeah, so if you like this video, thumbs up, press thumbs ups, and consider subscribing for more videos like this. It's me, Guyver, signing out.